Welcome back everyone. Now in this lesson we will learn why to use functions. What is the use of functions? Now to understand it more clearly, I want you guys to pause the video and write a program on your own. I want you guys to write a program that will receive two numbers and print out the sum of those numbers. Okay? You can pause the video and start coding. Now this is what the code will look like. I'm skipping all the cout parts like enter the variables and all that you can write on your own. Int y, we'll need two variables and we'll have to receive the values of those variables, c in x and y. Now we'll have to print x plus y. Alright, now suppose in the 100th line, alright, in the 100th line you will have to again add two numbers, and in the 1000th line of your code you are writing a very large program and you want to add that numbers again, so you'll have to redo all the work again. And if the process is not adding numbers, it is a complete calculator, you'll have to write lines of code for that. For that you'll have to rewrite the code again and again and again. So it will just increase the length of the code. Even if you just copy paste it, it will increase the length of the code. Now to prevent this, we can use functions. Now functions are named part of a program that can be used from any part of the program. Now that's all about the definition. Now how can we use these functions? That we will learn in our next lesson. See you there. Thank you.